In this video, we will show you the installation and use of the DJI focus motor and LiDAR. The lens can be controlled by using the motor with DJI RS4 and DJI RS4 Pro. Autofocus can be used with the motor and LiDAR and DJI RS4 Pro. Mounting the motor. Unlock the lever on the mount kit and attach the 15mm rod and then lock the lever. Attach the motor mount kit to the camera and align the placement guide with the camera body before tightening the screw. Mount the camera to the gimbal. Attach the motor to the 15mm rod and match the motor gear with the focus ring of the lens and tighten the clamp on the motor. Connect one of the USB-C ports of the motor to the motor port of the gimbal using a USB-C cable. Motors can be used in series to control the focus or zoom. Connect the motors via the USB-C cable. The provided FIZ stickers are used for recognizing the FIZ motor. The motor needs to be calibrated before use. Swipe down from the top of the touchscreen on the home screen to enter the control center. Tap the motor icon and select Focus Motor Calibration. Tap Confirm to start calibration. The endpoints of the motor can be set manually or canceled. Swipe up from the bottom of the touchscreen on the home screen and tap Dial Functions and Set to Focus Motor. The front dial can now be used to control the motor. Focus Motor Status LED description. Solid red, motor is calibrated. Blinks red, motor is not calibrated. Press once to switch between focus, iris, and zoom channels. Press twice to start-stop calibrating the motor. Mounting the LiDAR. Attach the LiDAR to the camera cage or the hot shoe of the camera. Connect the data port of the LiDAR to the video transmission LiDAR port of DJI RS4 Pro using the multi-camera control cable provided. The LiDAR is powered by the RS4 Pro. Swipe right on the home screen of RS4 Pro to access video transmission. The LiDAR shooting view can be displayed here. When mounting the camera vertically, make sure the LiDAR is mounted horizontally. Do not mount the LiDAR vertically or upside down. Button function. Press the FN button once to switch lens profiles. Press twice to calibrate the motor. Press and hold to enter sleep mode for LiDAR. Press the AF/MF button once to switch between autofocus and manual focus. The two USB-C ports are used for updating the firmware and connecting to the gimbal. Indicate C1, C2, or C3 lens profiles in use when C1, C2, or C3 is on. Using for the first time, swipe right on the home screen of RS4 Pro to access video transmission. The LiDAR shooting view can be displayed here. Tap the settings icon on the bottom right corner of the screen to access LiDAR settings. Installation distance needs to be set before the first time use. Use the scale on the provided focus card to measure the distance from the image sensor plane of the camera to the glass surface of the LiDAR, and input the value on the gimbal. The lens needs to be calibrated before using autofocus. Tap Lens Profile and Plus to add a lens profile. Input the lens focal length, and then tap Start to begin motor calibration. The motor will then start calibration. It is recommended that the focus card be used to complete lens calibration after motor calibration is completed. When calibrating the lens, attach the focus card to the wall and place the camera at a distance of 0.5 to 1.5 meters from the focus card. Then align the focus card in the center of the camera view. When the scale pointer ranges from 0.5 to 1.5 meters, rotate the front dial to adjust the focus and check the focus peak. When the focus peak is largest, the lens is in focus. Place the camera at a distance of 4 to 5 meters from the focus card and align the focus card in the center of the camera view. Use the same method to adjust the focus. Tap Confirm to complete lens calibration. If you need to delete a lens profile, tap the arrow icon in the lens profile, and then tap Delete. Calibrating lens via Ronin app. If the lens profile is configured in the Ronin app, lens calibration can be shortened using the Ronin app. Access the homepage of the Ronin app and select LiDAR lens profile. Tap plus on the C1, C2, C3 to add a new profile. Then select lens brand, lens series, and lens focal length. Tap next to enter the focus ring calibration page. Slide the focus ring to infinity, and then tap confirm to start lens calibration. The lens profile will be saved after calibration is completed. When there is a prompt to adjust the flange, users can confirm using the provided focus card. Point the lens at the focus card. When the image is clear, this indicates it is not necessary to adjust the flange. Tap complete to confirm. If the image is not clear, tap adjust. Slide left or right on the slider until the image is clear. Tap complete to complete lens calibration. Recalibrate lens. If the focus is not accurate, users can recalibrate the lens. Adjust flange distance. Users can adjust the flange distance here to eliminate the focusing error using different lens mounts and to make focusing more accurate. AF tracking sensitivity settings. The AF tracking sensitivity can be set from 1 to 5. The larger the value, the faster the focus speed. In the active track settings, the active track speed and the tilt follow switch can be set. Focus area settings. Tap the icon on the bottom left of the screen to switch the focus area. In wide mode, the LiDAR automatically recognizes subjects such as people in the camera view and focuses on the subject nearest to the center of the camera view. If there are no people in the camera view, the LiDAR will focus on the center of the camera view. When in AF mode, the front dial can be used to select the focused subject. When in MF mode, the front dial can be used to focus manually. Press half down on the record button for single autofocus. Press the trigger of the RS4 Pro to stop active track. After active track is enabled, the subject in the green box indicates the subject is recognized and tracked. Move the joystick to adjust the frame. The red box indicates the subject is lost, and the white box indicates active track is canceled. In flex spot mode, the LiDAR automatically focuses on the subject in the frame. Tap the image or drag select to select the subject.